So today I'm going to talk to you about our relationship with the producers and also a bit more about the partnership team because it's now a community effort and hopefully I can convince you to join as well. So I explained this yesterday, so actually maybe I'll be quick. But we are interested in the food manufacturer data because it's big and reliable, and we need everyone to contribute to food transparency. So that's why we're interested in them. Where do we find them? So the first place where they are is online. So we spend a lot of time on LinkedIn with Charlotte and the team to track down all these big companies and the profiles that work in marketing or product management or IT departments and quality departments as well. We try to narrow down to the right profiles to get a good contact. We find them as well in fairs. So quite regularly there are food fairs. So it's a place where all these producers gather. And it's a great occasion for us to go and pitch to them and collect as many business cards as we can. So that was last year we did a trip in Italy with some contributors. That was amazing. So if any of you are interested to discover these great events, there are opportunities everywhere. So how we convince them? So far it probably needs some more work, but this is our top 4 arguments to convince the food manufacturers. Maybe that's not super relevant, but they're happy to share the data because they want to have updated photo so that their products look good and they're visible. They can also discover opportunities to improve their product. So this is one of the key features in the Pro platform is that they can upload their portfolio of products and then they can have insight on how well they're doing compared to food manufacturer, compared to other competitors. So that's they find this quite attractive. And we also push recommendation on how they can improve the Nutri-Score of their product by only tweaking a little bit the recipe. The recipe. Yeah, I mean, this long list. So yeah, we have about 3,000 almost brands. So the goal for 2025 will be to reach this target. So if you're interested in joining the efforts, this is our team. So there's people from all over Europe and more, actually. So the goal is to find more and more producers, especially outside of France, because today I think maybe 75 or 80% of the food manufacturers are French, and in order to develop and go to other markets, we need more food manufacturers because consumers are happy to use the app if the app is complete, but to have the database complete, we need the food manufacturers, and to convince food manufacturers to share the data, we need users. So it's like a big circle, like chicken and egg problem. So yeah, we are gathering once a month online, and we have a lot of tools to track, follow the reach out efforts. We have 5 missions overall. The first one, so we break down the effort into 5 little missions so that there is bits for everyone. So the first one is to identify these food manufacturers. The second one is to connect. So people have different skills or appetence. So you could connect, you could meet up. So for those people that are happy to engage with the human contact. Then there is a phase of accompaniment, which is about onboarding the producer, playing with a spreadsheet and cleaning the data. And the last stage is the interview, where we're trying to collect feedback, and do some kind of user research, understand what they like about the platform, and help promote the use to other producers. And so yeah, so you can find us on Slack in the partnership channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the food manufacturers. One last thing, if there are people in the room that are either food manufacturer, app developer, scientists, people working in the Ministry of Health, or any kind of professionals that are around the food ecosystem, or open data as well, you are more than welcome to join us. We have an event on the 10th of October in the center of Paris, and it's going to be in French. Very sorry for all the English speakers, but we're going to host roundtables and the workshops. So it's probably about the same amount of people than here, and it's another occasion to keep talking about food transparency. So that's it for me.